Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm so happy because it's the day of my birthday, and right now what I use to record is my iPod Touch 5th generation, and I got a tripod for it for my birthday. I'm so happy, like, oh, let me show you guys. Oh, my room messy. I'll show you guys later, but I'm so happy I got a tripod for it. And that means it'll be easier for me to do my videos. But I want to do a haul video on the things I got. So that's the first thing that I got. Then I got this from 5 Minutes Below, by the way. And I got some eyelash curlers. But then I got 2 lip balms. I got all of this from 5 Minutes Below. Really cute. I got this liquid illuminator. Liquid highlighter, basically. I really like it. I use it in with my Fenty Beauty foundation today. So I just put them on the back of my hand. It's a nice highlighter. It dries down really fast, so. But I really like this. I'm gonna try it, but Fenty Beauty already takes. You already gotta take a long. Well, you really gotta go fast to blend it out. So with this, I don't know. I'm gonna try. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably just. I don't even know. So then I got this pack of sponges. Some of them are harder than others. Like this pink one is soft. And they stink. I forgot to tell y'all it stink. This cost $4. And some of them hard. Like this one hard. I used it today. And it came with this big old sponge. I really like this one. I might just buy another pack of those just for this sponge, because this is really good. I use this one too for my foundation. And it comes with these. These are hard. I would never use these. I would never use these again. I got the bake. I just can't see myself using it. So next, I got this Panda sleeping mask. It's really cute. Cute. I can't believe. So then I got 4 sheet masks because I got dry skin. So I got 3 of these ones. They are revitalizing face masks. 1 coconut one. So after that, I bought this Wet n Wild lip liner in Brandy Wine. I had this one before, but it went missing. But my things are gonna stop going missing as soon as I get my own room. So then I got this peach lip scrub. Let me smell it. I never opened it yet, so I'm gonna see how this smells. What if it stinks? Oh, it smells good. Ooh. And it's all natural. I like this one. And next, I had the only thing I got from Ulta, this Maria Badescu spray, because I ran out of this one. Like, look how much is in this one compared to this one. So yeah, that's basically everything I got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more just like it. And bye.